Today we're proving that you don't need a grill to get this jerk flavor. We're taking this pork shoulder and bust it into the oven and still give a crispy edge and smoky vibes. Pure Jamaican energy. Let's make my Sunday dinner. Make we start by making the jerk rub. Onion. Scallion or green onion. Scotch, bonnet, pepper. Only can take out the seed them if you don't want it too hot, okay? Pimento berries. Nutmeg. Garlic. Ginger. Thyme. Vinegar. Or you could use lemon juice too, or lime juice, right? This is optional, but I want that smoky flavor. You know when you have jerk pork, you have that little smokiness to it. So usually when I bake something in the oven like chicken without the grill, I use liquid smoke. Sometimes I can use a liquid tubes because it's very strong. So this is gonna give a nice smoky flavor without the grill. Red stripe there. Browning. This is gonna give color. Brown sugar. All right. The jerk smell good already, I thought. Like, so I already washed my pork shoulder them, okay? I use pork shoulder. See them? Jerk seasoning. This is the dry rub. Beautiful. Onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, flavor overload. Wow, that smells good. So I'm gonna add about half of this, okay? Gonna mix this. I'm gonna rub it in, okay? That's where this sitting. Let me just by the smell of the seasoning, you know so this I got taste good. My God. Look on this already. Oh my God. You want this seasoned down to the bone, okay? Just like this. You know, so when the season sit in, this is a problem, you know. So we're gonna let this marinate for at least 4 hours, okay? So the season can do its thing in the meat, okay? While that are going to soak, we're gonna make the festival them, okay? So 2 cups of all-purpose flour, ½ cup refined cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon brown sugar. You can add more or you could just leave it out. ½ teaspoon salt, a small amount of nutmeg, just a little bit. Now we're gonna combine all of this together, okay? This is also gonna make it nice and airy, okay? 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, if you don't have milk, you also can use plain water. So after all the flour is hydrated, all you're gonna do is try to bring it together. It's gonna feel a little sticky, but that's okay. That's exactly how you want it. Cover and allow to rest. Go ahead and preheat your oven on 300 degrees. Because you want this low and slow, okay? Cover with foil. Straight into the oven. After 2 hours, fork check, nice and tender. Oh God, that will give a good. We're gonna take out the liquid. See? Set the oven and broil, and we're gonna put these back for 15 to 20 minutes, okay? This is the gravy we get from the pork, barbecue sauce, ketchup. The sauce is not a must, but may I eat Sunday dinner? I don't want a dry rice, I want some gravy on the rice. So back in Jamaica, the pork don't usually serve with no sauce like this. But we just, for gravy purpose, we just make a little gravy, alright? Slap your pot. The food that was always not good for you always tastes so good. Come on! Come on, people of God. All right. 5 more minutes and that's it. All right, done. Time for the festival. Once the oil is heated, turn down the stove, okay? You don't want this festival and burn up. The dough is well rested, so now it's time to make our festival. All right. Get a piece of dough like this and just roll it in your palm like I make spinners. At least this is how I make mine. Okay? Lower the heat and then add it to the pot. So you just want to go ahead and continue the process, okay? And I make sure so you eat the pan high. Fry for about 3 minutes on both sides. So you want them to soak, you know, just want them catch color like that, you know. You want them soak, take time brown. You know? See them now? Nice and soft, eh? Look upon this nice succulent pork. If I don't eat pork, I never know what I do on the video, you know. Because I don't want to hear it today. I know most people love the skin. Not true. I see all up on the skin and I say what I eat piece, not true. What I eat piece too. I know y'all look on it and I say, man, God, mother eat piece of that. I'll stop trouble on the arm because that's not nice. So I left the bone for later, you know. See all of that? Oh, that look gummy and nice. We're gonna serve this up in our plate. We'll cut one more piece. You know, I want to have this big old slab of meat, you know? It's not presentable. A piece I can't take out. Find that, man. Oh, steam. Done to perfection. Time for to plate this up. Some gungo rice and peas. And just like that, oven jerk pork will look like it just come off the grill. I lie. Look on it, look on it. Tender inside and crispy outside. And the flavor, I don't know how to eat pork, you know. I don't know how to eat pork. Too much chatting, let me do taste this, alright? Let me go on some first and then I'm gonna taste this. You think would I forgot them again, you know? You know, yeah. Which part wanna like? Which part I pork wanna like the most? The lean part, I wanna like the gummy part. The part will look like, you know, like something like this. Which part I want a favorite part on the pork? Alright. But now ask the people I'm gonna eat pork. So if I don't eat pork, you have to tell me say, oh, you're not eat pork. Just come on now, man, stop. Which part of the pork wanna like? I mean, I tell a lie, it's too good. It's nice, man. Nice. Too good. Nice and soft, you see? Okay, I'm about to fiesta up and eat my food. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. I'm gonna leave all the measurements down in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.